like that validation, that appreciation that Varun noticed you for your
Yeah.
performance, things like these from the industry. Did that also happen after Black
No,
Warrant
that
only?
started after Tabbar.
Acha, okay.
So when I did Tabbar, because a lot of people in the industry have watched it, and it's a very well-made show.
Absolutely.
And I got this breakthrough performance. My name was written: Ranveer Singh, Paramveer Cheema, Vikrant Messi.
Right.
There were 5 names, और इन दोनों के बीच में मेरा नाम था. And people started getting to know me. Okay, this is the guy, and he's a good actor. But they wanted to know more of me. They wanted to see me working more. कि और क्या करता है? एक तो performance दे दी. अभी और क्या करता है? क्या है हमारे लिए ना, we are outsiders. हमारे लिए एक परफॉर्मेंस खराब दे दो ना, तो 5 अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस लोग भूल जाते हैं.
Absolutely.
और स्टार किड्स के लिए क्या है, मैंने अब आई विल टेल यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ माय फ्रेंड ओनली. किसी की फिल्म आई थी, आई विल नॉट टेक द नेम. तो मैंने बोला ब्रो वो यार मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगी. मैंने कहा अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं की. कहता यार उसकी पहली फिल्म थी. बट इट्स द ऑपोजिट विद अस. अरे यार इतना ही था, इसका हो गया. सो दैट कॉन्फिडेंस जो इंडस्ट्री को आया मेरे ऊपर, दैट केम आफ्टर ब्लैक वॉरेंट. बट पीपल स्टार्टेड noticing me, started knowing me in the industry after Tabbar.
Absolutely. You were also in the running for Amar Singh Chamkila, the one that was made on Netflix. What happened? Why did you, choose Chamak over Chamkila?
I didn't choose Chamak. I chose Chamak. Yeah, there was a reason, because Chamkila, they told me to block the dates. Okay, you are in top 5. You can get locked for this. But Chamak was in my hands.
Okay.
So I thought इधर तो आई डोंट नो इम्तियाज सर मेरे को सिलेक्ट करेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज मैंने उनका देखा काम, हिज बॉडी ऑफ वर्क. ही हैज़ ऑलवेज वर्क विद रणबीर कपूर एंड दिस मुझे लगा एज एन आउटसाइडर आई डोंट नो इफ ही विल टेक मी और नॉट.
Right.
And then Rohit sir called me and he said that, okay, you are the lead of my show. And I read the script, but it was a brilliant script. So I thought कि इसमें I can show more range as an actor, because 12 episodes, big episodes,
Right.
and very different look. और वो तो हाथ में है ना, इसका तो पता नहीं. तो I think that was a fair decision कि मैंने वो choose किया.
Right.
What do you think?
I think it was a good one. But what I also want to understand is the characters. Both of you all have played the role of Chamkila only. Did you ever go back and compare your performance with that one, or the story, or anything like that?
No, nothing like that. Because I've been a fan of Imtiaz sir, and that's a different story. Because I always say where Chamkila ends, Chamak starts.
हाँ. But कहीं ना कहीं also what happened is Chamkila released and Chamak का release आगे पीछे हो गया कुछ, because of it Chamak did not get the attention that it should have.
Yes.
Technically.
Yes.
वो कहीं ना कहीं, so sometimes do you go back and think कि यार I should have waited and done Chamkila rather?
You know what I think?
What?
Chamak will get more attention now.
Of course, I think so.
Because now people are getting to know me, so people revisit my work, so people are watching a lot of things that I have done. I get messages, so धीरे धीरे मेरा ग्राफ बढ़ेगा, तो मेरा पिछला काम भी आएगा.
Absolutely.
तो शायद सोनी कॉल करे, तीसरा सीजन बना देते हैं.
It's been 10 years, you're just getting started right now. But today as an artist, especially, as a young artist today in this industry who has a long journey ahead of him, what is that one fear and what is that one challenge?
One fear is always this, that कोई मुझे वेस्ट ना कर दे एज एन एक्टर.
Okay.
बिकॉज लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, एक गलत काम आपको 5 साल पीछे ले जाता है. तो आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी फोकस्ड दैट आई शुड चूज गुड वर्क विच विल जस्ट लेवल मी अप. एंड द चैलेंज इज टू स्टे हम्बल, टू स्टे लॉयल टू द वर्क, और ये फालतू की नॉइस को शट अप करके जस्ट कीप वॉकिंग द पाथ आई एम वॉकिंग.
But at this point, you can afford to be choosy with work?
I am choosy always.
Achha.
Yes.
But uska, like being choosy is not a fear then. Ki, because sometimes also what happens is you never know what would be the fate of a story.
I know, but जहाँ तक I can think of it, जहाँ तक मेरा दिमाग चलता है, जहाँ तक जितनी मेरी कैपेबिलिटी है सोचने की, उस पे तो मैं उतना तो सोचता हूँ. Rest is in God's hands, so let's see.